welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin, and today I have some summertime cleaning motivation for you. Summertime for our family means trips to the beach, and we just recently took a 2-day trip down to Padre Island, Texas. On our trip, we spent our time on Padre Island National Seashore. My husband loves to windsurf, and they have a great beach for that there. Plus, there is wonderful access to the Gulf shores. The first day we spent on the sound side so that Patrick could do some windsurfing, and Austin had his first experience at the beach. And it's no surprise that he absolutely loved it. The next day, the wind wasn't quite strong enough for windsurfing, so we decided to explore further into the park, and the seashores were absolutely beautiful. You could drive right up and onto the beach if you choose. We decided to check out the visitor center and to take a walk on the beach. So of course, after the beach vacation, there's always lots of cleanup, and to me, I always think about piles of laundry and a really sandy car. So we're gonna spend some time today getting all of this stuff sorted out and getting my car clean. We got home last night, and the first thing that we did was give Austin a bath. And then I threw all of the beach towels and the towels that we used to wash Austin in the wash. But other than that, I really haven't done anything except pile up everything here into the laundry room. So I have suitcases to unpack, laundry to sort, some bags of snacks and groceries to put away, and also a few items in the cooler that I need to sort out. After getting mine and Patrick's laundry sorted, Peyton sorted his, and he was so quick I didn't even get a chance to film him. But now that everything's sorted, I like to do whites, lights, darks, and then this pile is delicates, and I have a couple extra towels that I missed from last night. So I'm going to get all of this started. Lighting a nice scented candle always makes me feel like I'm giving myself a treat, and this one is from the Grove Collaborative. It's one of their soy candles, and it's the Spearmint Eucalyptus scent. I love this scent. It's so fresh, and it just sort of energizes me and makes everything smell nice and clean. I packed this bag with all sorts of snacks for us for the car ride and also for on the beach, and of course it returned home with a few less snacks and lots of other various items. So I'm just sorting everything out, and just like everything else at the beach, the bag was full of sand, so I'm going to dump that out too before I reuse this for groceries. First load of towels is finished, and so I'm going to get started with all of the folding. Folding is my favorite part of doing laundry. I know that a lot of people dread it, but I actually find it really relaxing, and it's also a really great excuse for me to sit down and catch some TV or my favorite YouTube videos. Let me know in the comment section below, do you hate folding or do you like it too? And what is your favorite thing to do while you're folding? I like to hang most of our shirts to dry, and so here I'm just pulling out some damp shirts after they've been in the dryer for about 10 minutes or so, and I lay them over there on the sink and then hang them all up on a bar that is over the washer and dryer, and I just let them hang dry. And this, I think, saves a lot of energy because they don't have to spend a lot of time in the dryer, plus it cuts down on the wear and tear on our clothes because a lot of that happens in the dryer, and also it really saves me from having to do a lot of ironing. I find that hanging our shirts keeps them neater too because they don't have a chance to get all rumpled up in the drawer, and everybody can find what they're looking for easier when it's hanging in their closets. And when the shirts are dry, everybody can grab theirs and take them directly to their closets. Now everything is folded and the shirts are hanging to dry in the laundry room, so by tomorrow morning they should be ready to be put away. And all of our swimsuits and other delicate items are on the drying rack, and they'll be ready in the morning to put away as well. I decided to wait on the car cleanup till the next morning when it was cooler outside. And Patrick took the mats out when we got home and shook them, so there's actually a lot less sand than there was when we first came home. We also cleaned out the trash when we were getting all of the luggage and beach things out of the car, so really all I have to do is some vacuuming and wiping down. My car is about 15 years old, and we bought those rubber mats to protect the floors because when we got this car, our boys were pretty young. And so they did a great job of protecting the floors, and I feel like my car is in great shape. We are pretty frugal when it comes to cars. We like to buy a good quality car and then just take really good care of it and keep it for the lifetime of the car. We have so many great memories from road trips in this car, and it's still going strong, so I'm hoping that we're going to have it for several more years. One of my best tips for keeping your car looking new is spreading a blanket out in the back. And I do this because whether Austin rides back here or something spills from groceries or a beach trip, I can take the blanket out and wash it, and that way the carpet stays protected. To clean the windows, I'm using one of my e-cloths. It's actually the window cloth, and then I'm just following it with the window polishing cloth, and I'll clean all of the windows. And then I have another microfiber cloth from e-cloth that I'm just going to run over all of the plastic areas. And as you know, when you go to the beach, and especially when you travel with a dog, everything needs a good clean down afterwards. There are three things that I always keep in this pocket of our door, and it's a water bottle, an umbrella, and some sunscreen. And they're great for the summertime, but I actually keep them here year-round. You never know when you might need any of them. Austin loves to go with us in the car just about anywhere, and he likes to ride in the back seat. And so I protect the back seat with this blanket, and again, it's so easy because I can just take it out and wash it, and when it's fresh and clean, I can return it, and I can do this as often as necessary. Now that the inside of our car and also my laundry room, aka the dumping ground, is clean along with all of our laundry, I feel really good about our after beach cleanup. Oh, and we do have a few beach toys that we need to sort out, so we'll do that tonight too. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I hope it gave you lots of summer-inspired cleaning motivation. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's absolutely free, and subscribing really helps me grow my channel. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.